I see the skyline with a neon glow. Dreams on the rise where the rivers flow. Chasing the stars with a fearless stride. My funded futures take me worldwide. My funded futures light the way, breaking through night into brighter days. My funded TV shows the scene, living my life like a vivid dream. The clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way. Breaking through.
Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm Kalayjian, and welcome to the Asia session here. I'm hosting My Funded Futures tonight. How are you, everybody? Good evening. Hey, Brad. Good evening, everybody. Bear Trader. Hey. I left my glasses home on top of this. Boy, this is some day. My glasses? No, I left my glasses home. Hey, Brave Day. Marzina, how are you? All right. Good evening, everybody. How are you? 579. All right. Let's see here. 139.32. How's everybody doing today? Everybody doing good? JL Trading, how are you? All right. Boy, oh boy, you want to talk about a market that does not want to give up. I'll tell you, short the world. You think? Not yet. Not so fast. I don't think so. Not so fast here. We got to just see what the heck is what's going on here. All right. Welcome everybody again. Hope everybody had a great day today. Nothing but really nothing but yep. Yeah, nothing but the ability to really just trade the market in such a way that we saw some really big moves here. All right, let's just put the NASDAQ back up here for a minute. We'll get the day rolling here. All right, gold's finished. If you tell me, I'll tell you, gold's finished here. Gold is absolutely finished. All right, 16 here. Let's see if make this a little bit bigger. All right. Look at this, 30. Where they get up to 99. Boom. They dropped 100. I knew they would drop 100 there. All right. And if you look at the daily, you can see the daily here getting overbought. Big bear flag here. Yes, sir. Can't even say the word buy right here. Old high, 31,000. Let's see if they're going to make new highs here. You know, this is the week before 4th of July is always the most bullish time. How are you, Vanessa? Trader Nest, how are you? B-Tree. How is everybody? And they're off at Belmont. All right, there they go. All right. Let's see what they can do. The 60-minute time frames look like they want to turn up here. The 60s. Looking for pullbacks here, actually. If the NASDAQ gets up to the 580 to 620, I look to take a short on the NASDAQ. We're going to see what we can do here. Push them up. Yes, yes, yes. And we're going to see here. All right. What's up, Josh? Baby goat. Baby goat's in the house. Baby goat. Yes, sir. Baby goat is in the house. Yes, sir. All right. Let's see what's gonna happen here. All right. Knew they would rally there a little bit there. All right. Yes, sir. All right. Hey, Joyce, how are you? All right, NASDAQ just got cabooshed here. I thought they were a good short around the 80 handle, 53. Very quiet here. How did everybody do today? Everybody do okay? Just past 25. There you go, Mike Trader. So the 15-minute time frames really were the key here today. NASDAQ pulled in nicely on the 15, right around the right here, below 500, and then rallied 100 handles. Now, if you look at the underlying ETF, we haven't had one pullback since we exploded. We're due for a serious pullback tomorrow. Okay, we're due for a serious pullback. Again, on the 60s and the 30s here, you can see a serious pullback is coming. Again, when you're pushing up to new highs here, the MACDs did not confirm the highs here at all. So we're going to see the indexes here. All right, NASDAQ just dropped 20. Looking, all right, I cancel that. I thought they would be a short up there. Damn it. All right, so how about this gold? Hey, congratulations. Yesterday we did the under over on gold, and the unders won big time. The under overs. Yeah. NVIDIA back over it. Now it closed below it. NVIDIA closed below it. Yes, sir. NVIDIA closed below it. I hope everybody had a great day today. Hello, Captain. Rashid. How are you, Rashid? Nice to meet you, Rashid. All right. Let's see if we get another push up above the 50 handle. Let's see if we can get the 50. But the 60s look like they want to turn up. So let's see if they can get a push down and then potentially push up. So let me show you another great pattern here. If you look at the 30-minute time frame on the on gold here, if you look at the 30-minute time frame on gold, okay. So if you look at the 30-minute time frame on gold, you can see the 30-minute reverse to sell. You have the negative MACD, and then what you do is you short the bounce here on these bear flags. Here's the first short here, 32, boom, down 8, pushed up again, 31, and then really dropped down about 12. All right. Tomorrow we're going to probably be really slow during the, what's it? Hey, Dean. Probably going to 8 o'clock, the USA is playing. So all right, I had the right idea to short the push up into the negative MACDs there. So going to be a great game. Absolutely. All right. Yep, tomorrow, Wednesday, 8 p.m. Right during tomorrow's Wednesday, right? Wednesday, July 1st. Yes, sir. Oh, beautiful patterns. Iceman, the patterns on gold were phenomenal. Even here at 11 o'clock in the morning, if you look at the underlying ETF, Iceman, which you should when you're trading, okay, you should look here, the gold. Let's see here. You can see, look at this beautiful 15-minute bear flag right here at 215. I called this short on the GLDs above 70. And then if you look here, you can see the 60-minute time frame right here, pushed up. 60-minute reverses to sell. You short the bounce on that. Beautiful, really nice right there. All right, going to be really, I don't know. I guess nobody was. He is the only. He's trading futures right now. He's got the Revco on. He's got RJ O'Brien. He's got CQG up. He's trading the futures. It's like NASDAQ, sell 500 at 600. You know, the ones we bought earlier. I got to post. If it goes against us anymore, I'll make a tweet. Right? I'll make a tweet. I'll get us out of this trade. Watch how these algorithms. I know these algorithms. I say one word, it's over. Right? How you doing, Vaughn? Where have you been? Investing Bill? Thank you, guys. All right. These 60s. If this NASDAQ could get down to the probably the 88 to 98 range. I'm sorry. Let's go 30,000 485 to 515 on the NASDAQ. Who's that? Papa Trump. That's what I'm talking about. Yep, Papa Trump. Yes, sir. All right, gold. Look, nothing's going on here tonight, man. Well, this happens too. The week before Thanksgiving, Trump discloses over $100 million Bitcoin position. I'm sure. Well, he's getting killed now. Probably lost a few million. God knows where he's long it. Short NASDAQ? Not yet. Oh, Mikey. How you doing?
Doing pretty good. And yourself?
No, he's good. I left him home. I left him home.
Hi.
Hello.
All right. Just to let you know, email's 10 times better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw you yesterday. Like we were getting a lot more responses.
But I got to give you the ones that the addresses aren't right. So you could, if you look at the addresses first, when you scroll here, you'll see mail delivery.
Mhm.
Just delete them or fix it or something. They're in here. See mail delivery.
Gotcha.
There's like 7 of them.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's just see here. Nancy Pelosi just committed a few $1 million to stocks. So it's like I never heard of. I follow her option trades. Okay. Can gold go to 4,000? Absolutely. Tonight? I don't think so. The 60-minute time frames are too oversold. You mean during this session? No, I don't think so. No. All right. Volatility is definitely picking up. Mexico, probably Mexico tonight. Probably Mexico. Look at this. NASDAQ's not even moving. Jesus. All right. I think Mexico, the whole market is tired. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. NASDAQ's not even moving here. Maybe we should walk out the door and come back in. Hey, Newton. How are Newton on the markets? How are you? David, whatever you were doing, go back to doing it. The market's dead. Henny, I just came back from the vet with Henny. I got to take good care of him. He has bad arthritis in his knees, and he has torn ACLs in both knees. I'm sick to my stomach. I'm gonna take really good care of him. So, Papa Delta, you here? Henny won't walk on the ramp. Go drink a smoothie, right? Yes, sir. Papa Delta, I got a problem. Henny's got 2 torn ACLs and arthritis. 2 torn ACLs in his knees, and he has arthritis. They're giving me some pain reliever for him, an anti-inflammatory. Plus, they're giving me an injection he's going to have and then they're going to see him, or else he may need surgery. Okay. But I got a big problem. He's not here with me now because they don't want him jumping in and out of my car. My car is low, right? It's my Henny Mobile. So I bought a ramp. He won't go on the ramp. Can you suggest something else? Like, do I have to throw like a bunch of pillows down? I don't know what I got to do, but I'm literally, I'd rather be short 100 S&Ps, 9 handles against me because I can handle that. They think he's in pain. So there's something that grows muscles in dogs for sport. It's called myosin. Can you text me that, please? 914-500-7484. He won't even go upstairs. Collapsible stairs? No. He doesn't even go up my stairs in my home. Wherever he came from, he was either beaten or, completely abused, where he will not go up steps. So, thank you. Iceman, tell him I want to teach him. A support harness. Killer's home. Oh my God, he went crazy. He was good, and then these 2 nurses came in, and he wanted to eat them. Oh my God, you could have heard him in Montana. Jim, can you call me after the Asia session, because I got to tell you, I'm a wreck here. Tried to buy the NASDAQ here at 15. You could look to buy it between the 480 and 520. These 60s are going to turn up here. Yeah, well, now I know why. Now I know why. Whoever had him most likely wanted to euthanize him, because they probably realized they didn't have insurance to take care of the problems he had, So, yeah, he's my Henny poo. I love my Henny. He's pissed at me now. He wouldn't get up the ramp. I said, you can't. The doctor said, nope, no more. Oh, wow. I'm so sorry. Yeah, my other dog, my shepherd coonhound Coda, is 12 years old. Please. I've had him since he was 8 weeks old. Well, I did, Andrew. Tried to give him treats through the car, and he did not want. I tried to pull him. I didn't want to hurt him. He didn't want to go up the ramp. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Steven. 14-year-old. Well, Henny's 6. And again, that's why I know. I know now why they wanted to get rid of him. Thank you. I miss him. He's here. He's glued to me morning, noon, and night. I see him more than I see my kids. So, yeah, I think you're going to get one more push up here. 480 to 520. And look at look at the 60-minute time frames. Jimmy, if you can call me after 10, I appreciate it. Thanks. Yeah. Well, he's got 2 ACLs and both knees are shot. Gold just got kabooshed. Yep. That was a nice bear flag. All right. If you bought the NASDAQ below 20 here, if you can make 10, 15 on this 20, he's a shepherd coonhound. There you go. If you just bought one lot of 20, right? Really not much. I'm just going off the 60-minute time frame here. See it right there. Got down to 19. Just ran 10. If you bought 20s. Call everybody. Hey, Bobby Trades. Oh, no. Really? Iceman? I'm so sorry. James. And James was here when I rescued him about 9 months ago, 8 months ago. Took me about almost a month to get him. You got to be quick. But I'm going to do everything I can. I'm terribly, I miss him that he's not even here with me right now, to be honest with you. But thank you, Albano. My henny poo. All right, look to buy the NASDAQ here between the 85 and 15 handle. I still think you're going to get one more push up here. The only good thing Michael did, trust me. 2 days in a row, the over is won. I can't believe it. The 2 days, the over is won. $15.25. Here we go. Very quiet. All right, please. There's the link to sign up for the raffle tonight. There's the link. Okay. My Henster. All right. Very quiet. So, hello, Trade 007. Kevin, how are you? M Trades. I don't have my glasses on. I left them home. Miriam, Linda NQ, how are you? Arjun, Bodine, Vanessa. So yesterday I said over under gold by 10 o'clock and everybody bet under. I bet over like an idiot and gold got kabooshed. Go, hey, Holy Fook, how are you? 67, William, Learn Trade, Mr. 21, Youssef, Brad Allen. Yes, sir. We killed it today. We had some day. Those ADXs were rising all day on the spiders. Look at the spiders here. Whoop, if I can show you the spiders. All day rising. Here's the gap. Oh, this gap will get filled. 720 handles, 200 lower. You can see the 15s. The ADX is rising. Then you get this pullback right here at around, I think, 2 o'clock, Andrew. Yep. I said between 1 and 3. And then when you get but then when your MACDs are negative like this and you make new highs, look at that. You short that right there. You short that. Spy Sancho, how are you? Did you see that? Right here, the overbought into the negative MACDs. You want to short that. Let's see now. 10 o'clock. This was a good short here. 1 o'clock Amazon. See if the NASDAQ can get one more push up here. I'll put the 1 minute up. When NASDAQ pushed up to 21, I hope you guys sold it there. Here we go. You can start selling here, 15 up to 30. If you bought it again here, 07. This was the first one. It said 85 to 15, got down to 07, then shot up to 21, and then 07 again. My 6-year-old dog. What's that? Gold? Good short. I would wait for gold to get a little higher. Hey, Gervex, how are you? Gervex. Yeah, like a couple of nice little scalps there. Mudu, is that for me? I'm looking to buy NASDAQ. I didn't say short NASDAQ. You're still bullish from the 15, 30, and 60 here. And gold was a good short at 21. Here we go. Let's see if this NASDAQ can get a push up here on NASDAQ. The one. All right, there goes the NASDAQ. Just rallied 10 off the lows here. 11. All right. Iceman, be careful with scalping shorts. Look at these 60-minute time frames, Iceman. Be careful. ADX rising. 1, 2 great longs here. There you go. Just ran 20 on the NASDAQ. Okay, 20 on the NASDAQ. $30 on the, oh, here we go. 37 will be 30. I would sell some and I would sell half and raise your stops. You hate this market with a passion? Sue Spare, why are you being like that? I love this market. ADX rising, that means the trend is in place, up and or down. Right? Sue Spare? Wow, just ran 30. Wow, I'm so sorry, Gary. There they go. The Iceman, be careful. What a long. What a long. How am I going to put a dog lift in my car, David? I would love to, but how am I going to get that? I got to think I'm just going to have to pick him up. But he's 115 pounds. He's a moose. I'll be in a hospital. Sue Spare, if you want help, please text me. I will call you after the close. Here, 914-500-7484. Tina, pull over. Okay? I missed my Henny. There you go. 47 will be 40 up. Mm-hmm. Wow, nice long. Really nice long. Yeah, I tried that. I just bought that. He won't go near the steps, future farmer. How do I do that? Where do I get that? The dog lift. Who's sent that? I need that. I gotta buy that now. Where is that? Andrew, where do I get that? A dog lift. Oh my God, yes. Walmart. Andrew, send me the link. I got to get that. I'll go to Walmart tonight. They're open till 11. All right, send me the link. Oh, my God. That's exactly what I need, a dog lift. That thing's so gigantic. How am I going to put that in my car? I got to have one for here in my office. Oh, my God.
Give me a number, Steven. We got
Serious.
250 or 60,
250?
260.
I'm sorry, 260?
Yeah.
Okay, number 11.
Number 11. SIA Trades.
Sierra Trades?
SIA, SIA Trades.
Oh, Sia. What happened? That's good. Yeah, visit and then ask for free trial. You know.
SIA
Oh,
Trades.
go ahead.
Where are you? Well,
Sia Trades?
yep, that's the
Out
one.
here? Oh my God, number 11 is one of my favorite numbers. No? Sia Trades?
Oh,
Give a couple.
okay.
No?
Nope. Next.
Really? That's tough. It's not even, wow. See? Okay, well, given Sia Trades, they'll show up at 9:50. That's exactly what Aaron wants to do it now like this. I agree with him. All right, number 53, Aaron, please. 53.
53. All right, 53. Rushi 0207. RUSHI 0207.
These are new people. These are new people. Rushi, are you here? Rushi?
Yep, there
Oh,
you
he's
go.
here. Congratulations, Rushi. Oh, Rushi. Rushi 0207. Congratulations.
All right.
Right. See what Suze Bear said? This is good to weed out the leechers. All right. So put a W if you got that long. I knew the 60-minute time frames would turn up there. There goes the S&Ps, same pattern on the S&Ps, ran 5. You can't mess with the 60-minute time frames. Oh. You have on my phone for 1 second?
Yeah, of course.
I just want to see what Andrew sent me. I want to see what Andrew sent me for Henny. Oh, boy. All right. I still think the NASDAQ's going higher. My Henny. Boom. NASDAQ. Jesus. 50. I'm looking at this ramp. All right. Let me just see here. All right. Let's see if we get one more push up here on the NASDAQ. Not only are the 1 minute's oversold, that was a nice pullback on the 5 minutes. See, the 5 really was nice on that pattern right here. Been nice on the 5. Look at that. Beautiful. Caught it right. 07. Right back up. Boom. 40 points. It's dead. How about today? Very quiet. I want to thank everybody for giving me ideas how to help Henny. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Thank you. You know, I rescued him, and he's been a really great joy in my life. And we'll figure this out. Papa Delt will help me. Thank you, Andrew. We'll figure this out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There goes the NASDAQ. Iceman, be careful on your short. Thank you, Corp Trades. First bar? What do you mean? Well, when you make a new high in the MACDs, if you see here, like the Qs here, you're making new highs with the overbought condition. I hope they gap up tomorrow. I want to short everything. You can see here the new highs, boom. This is the short right here, 37.43, 62, boom, down $1, right back up to 762, and then boom. So let me tell you something. You ain't kidding. This dog, my Henny, I'm telling you right now, he is, you should have seen him when first the assistant, he was nice to the assistant, and then the guy was dressed in blue. Guy comes back like, I don't know, 30 minutes later. He knocks on the door. Freaking Henny went, wow, 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 wow. I'm like, oh my God, it wouldn't stop, right? He went crazy, right? And then 2 nurses came, and I literally had to hold him with both hands. He was completely ferocious. And I said, do me a favor, take off your purple gloves, open your hand, I'll hold him, let him smell you, right? Once he smells you, he'll be fine. He smelled the hand, then he starts licking her. He wants to eat them, and then he's licking them. Crazy, my dog. He's home on the couch. I'm sad. He's with me all the time. Tony Gold. What's up, Tony Gold? Yeah, my Henny. That's right. All right, S&Ps. If they S&Ps get up to the 40, 48 to 54, I look to short them.
All right, give me another number.
Another number. Another number. Number 88. Number 88. Oh, this gold's finished.
Kendall Jenner.
Kendall Jenner. Kendall Jenner. Wow, who did that just now? Kendall Jenner. Bear Trader, get in there. Kendall Jenner. Kendall Jenner here?
I don't. Oh, there we go.
Woohoo! Bear Trader. Is he here?
Yep.
He says he's here. No? Am I missing?
Yep.
It says like he's here, it looks like. Bear Trader, congratulations, Baba. Great job today, Bear Trader. Oh, this gold's finished. Completely finished with a capital F. Finished. This is the only, this I was looking to short 80s here. The high was, I think, 50, 53. Then this was the only long on the day. All right, NASDAQ, if you're short above 48, I mean, S&Ps, look to buy them back anywhere between probably the 45 and 47. Look at this gold. This gold. Over on the gold on 4,000. Let me see. I'm going to go over. Gold. Over under before we close tonight here at 10. Over under. Let's see if we get one more push here. My God, nothing's moving here. Let's see if we get one more push. I think really quiet here. Jesus, this is the only pattern for the day. I've never seen the NASDAQ do this. Never. The most insane index. And right, I'm not looking at silver. Gotta figure this out. My God. On S&Ps, if they get 48 3/4 to 55 3/4, I'd be scaling shorts here. My God. Gold finished. This was a really great short on the gold right here. And when you see the gold right here, you can see the bear flag right here. 22. You got the pencil down, the 14. Then you short the next bounce right here at 19. And look at it, drop 6. Very hard to take a long here on the gold, but just 30s and 60s. If you want to take a scalp long, maybe like 02.5 to 08.5 range. Just a scalp long. Everybody's on holiday. Why is trading kill you? Puff, puff, pass. Big Park, how are you? And again, if anybody new here would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email, and I give them out for every Monday. 914-500-7484. Just text me your full name and email, and I will send you a 5-day free trial. That's right. Let's see if this gold. NASDAQ. Look at it. Look at it. S&P's just dropped $1. Nothing's going on here. Yeah, Jeff, what you sent me here, how would I pick them up, though? Oh, my God. Thank you, Gabriel. Thank you, everybody.
Give me another number.
Number 127.
ELSKIU. 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 If you're here, you're a winner. If you're not-
EL? Oh, he's
there
here.
he is.
He's here. Hey, that was fast. Congratulations. There you go.
All
S&Ps,
right, all
if
right.
you sold one lot, just look to cover below 47.5. Why can we see the numbers? Aaron wants to do it this way for a couple of days. Why not? We tried something. We tried the wheel. Maybe tomorrow we'll do the wheel, Aaron. What do you think? Do we have the wheel accessible?
We do.
Yeah, we'll try the wheel tomorrow. How's that? We'll do something different. We'll spin
But I'm
the
not
wheel.
doing it at the end of the night. You're just going to have to be
No.
here
We'll do the wheel periodically. We'll just do the
Yep.
wheel periodically.
randomly.
Yeah, randomly. Like, whenever we're going to do 5, 10, whatever. We'll just put the wheel up whenever he wants.
Give me another number.
He's not here?
No, I said, give me another number.
Oh, another number. We had 260, you said, right? 202. Whoa, Nelly. S&P's down 3.
Mercy Placer. Mercy Placer.
Mercy Placer. Mercy Placer.
That's right.
And we'll get Jennifer involved. Jennifer's been on a sabbatical for a couple of days. She's always fun to help us out. Jennifer, get in there. S&P's just dropped 3.
Yep.
Oh,
There
looks
they
like
are.
he's here. Yeah, Mercy, I'm here. He or she is here. Congratulations again. Oh, look at the gold. 09.5 up to 13 on short sell longs. There you go. Just ran 4 on the gold. There you go. There goes the gold. Good job, Jennifer. Get in there, Jennifer. Good job. I think that's the way to go with the email. You know what I'm saying? Compared to, But I guess if you don't have it, then it's a different story. There goes the gold. Wow, gold just ran 6. Good Lord. Andrew, you get that long on the gold? Hmm. What a nice long on the gold. All right. Nice short on the S&Ps. My God. Great long scalp king. Oh, thoughts on Bitcoin? Yeah, I think Bitcoin's a buy under the 58,250. Just ran 200. I'm sorry, I didn't see that. Your short S&P is a 48-day trader. Good job. I don't know. One more push up on the NASDAQ. Let me see. These 60-minute time frames, you may get one more push down on the 30, but these 60s are getting oversold. Man, oh man, NASDAQ so tight in the range, up or down. Oh my God. All right.
I can take it.
Oh, sorry. Jesus, I forgot you were even here. Sorry. Jesus, Lord God. Sorry. What about the ones that it said mail delivery? You looked at on my emails?
Yeah,
You're just going to delete those? Or,
yeah. I like reviewed it just to see if I got it right.
And what happened?
And then some of them, some of them just straight up don't exist, or they can't receive it. So just deleted them.
Just delete it.
Yeah. And then if I've already emailed them about the free trial, do you want me to still email them about the visit separately as well?
Strong Fit Man, my number is 914-500-7484. 914-500-7484. What happened?
If they were already emailed like about the free trial, like yesterday or Tuesday or whatever, do you still want me to send a separate email asking about the visit?
No, it's okay.
Okay. I'm gonna put the visit people though in a separate pile over here.
All right.
So, are there any new names to be added?
This gold's going here, down here again. Damn, should have shorted it.
Wait, where are the ones that I haven't done?
All right. Jesus, gold wants to break 4,000 here. Rashid, yep. Thank you, David. Let's see here. $700, yeah, but who knows if gold was a new high earlier, you mean? Oh, wow, look at the NASDAQ. Look at these S&Ps, 48. Who's still short the S&Ps? If you want to call me from international, you could just call me on WhatsApp, 914-500-7484. If you want to buy some gold here, I would scalp it really tight here. I would go like literally like 98.30 to 05.30, really. Or here, better yet, 97.30 to 04.30, 97.5, 04.5. Gold got absolutely, I mean, S&Ps, what a short. New highs, non-confirmation. You caught the low on gold. It might go lower. Trust me. You're in a negative trend here, or a sell disconnect. Sorry. Who short the S&Ps of 48 still? Trading will kill me. No, it won't. If you put negative thoughts in your head, Gervax, you're going to have negative results, right? If you rate Gervax, okay? Wow, S&P's kabooshed. Where's the bear? My God. Here. Gold's going to do it to me again. 2 nights in a row. All right. Yep. Bye-bye, gold. Yep. Obviously, you want to short the next bounce here. S&Ps, NASDAQ is down to the 88 to 08. I look to buy it. S&Ps, if they get down to the probably the 30. Here, gold. Sell this gold for even and a half up to 02.5, 03.5 range. S&Ps look to go long probably 34 to 40. NASDAQ, boom! NASDAQ just ran a quick 10. Let's see here.
All right, Steven, give me another number.
I think the last number was 202. Is that right? Okay. And we had number 65.
Ooh, Trader 007.
Whoa! Finally, Trader 007. There goes the gold right back up. Trader 007. Damn, there goes the gold right back up. NASDAQ just rallied 10.
Here.
S&Ps. Is he here?
Yep.
Hey, he's here. Congratulations, Trader 007. A new strategy: wake up, buy NASDAQ, sell gold. You never know. That might change. That might change. Yes, sir. All right, gold got up to the 02.5, 3. S&Ps kabooshed. NASDAQ gets down to the 60 to 90 range on the NASDAQ. 60 to 90. We're actually, I go 65 to 95 on the NASDAQ. Let's see if it pushes down. Gold's finished. Look at this. Gold's going to give me 2 days in a row on the under. Oh, my God. Traded 007. Congratulations. All right. Let's see here. 51 minutes, boy. It's taking forever here tonight. Jesus. And tomorrow night, forget it. With the USA playing, forget it. Forget about it. You know what I'm saying? Forget about it. Absolutely forget about it. All right. Wow, this gold just got kabooshed. Let's see if the NASDAQ can get one more push up here at NASDAQ here. Are you long anything? You doing good?
I'm up $100.
How much?
Just 100.
Okay, not bad. Yeah. Wow, gold. Look at this gold get kabooshed. NASDAQ is above the 90 to even. Now we look at kick out these longs. MACD's negative here on the 5s. Let's see. That was some drop. That's why I was looking to short them with the negative MACD's up there. I thought 80, but the high was what, 45.50. Oh, I hope they absolutely get crushed. I hope they absolutely get they get crushed. I really do. This NASDAQ is up. What the low was 29,265. We rallied 100 and 1,400, almost 1,400 points in 2 days, right? 1,400 points in 2 days. And then we got a kaboosh and see the push up here. This is the push-up I was looking for. Got up to 49. Look at the 1 minute time frame here. 1 cabotion, 2 cabotion, 3 cabotions. Yes, sir. Gold's dumping hard. NASDAQ going to 438. Oh, yeah. I hope NASDAQ goes down a lot further than that. Look at the daily. Got a huge bear flag. Huge bear flag. Wait till these dailies roll over here. Look at this monster bear flag. Look at the weekly. Look at this. March of last year, 17,674. More than doubled. NASDAQ will be scaling out up here, 90.95s. Right back up. Out. Good. Good job. Good job. Out. Out. Bro, I can't stand that chart. What chart? That's amazing. What? The weekly? Bitcoin. There you go. Below 58. Wow, what a caboose on Bitcoin. Wow, look at the NASDAQ and S&Ps right back up. I'd be flat both. I would be flat both. That would, wow, I would be flat both. S&Ps and NASDAQ. 99, wow, 35,000. Oh, I love it. NASDAQ gets up to the, probably the 510 to 40. S&Ps get up to the 40 and a half to 46 and a half. The negative MACDs, you want to scalp the short. Here we go. Finally woke up. Augusto, how are you, Augusto? Oh, wow. Look at him. Oh, wow. What a caboose. 05 on the NASDAQ. Just dropped 20. Oh, they're finished. Oh, wow. S&P's down 3. NASDAQ down. Oh, if NASDAQ hits, oh, my God. What a short. What a negative MACD on the 5. Holy mackerel. Look at this. Look at this. 71 to 06. 06 caboose 30. There you go. Oh, new lows here. You see this negative MACD like that? What a short. Where's the 1 minute?
Give me another number.
Number 187.
197?
187.
Okay.
NASDAQ, you could look to buy them here between the 40 and 70 range. You get maybe one go.
Deuce leveraged.
We never heard of these people before.
Yep. Deuce leveraged.
Deuce leverage.
Yep. Deuced leverage. There he is.
Is he here?
Yep.
Oh my God, look at this gold. Under. How many is that? 4? 5? I don't even know.
One. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6.
Wild Deuces was called, he says. I'm here. If not,
Yep.
my name.
Yep.
Oh,
I got him.
He won. Oh, he says, okay, I'm here. Okay.
Yeah, I got him.
Now, Zach, if you bought him at 70, 80 to 90, I look to exit longs. Oh, this gold's finished. Nice little long there on the NASDAQ. Gold, 89 to 93. If this gold can get down to the, I know I see the ADX is rising, but if this gold gets down to the 82.5, 89.5, it's probably look for a scalp long. NASDAQ right back up. Wow, gold just rallied 8, 9. There goes the NASDAQ right back up. Kaboom, catnip. You get the long of the NASDAQ?
Yeah, I'm flat now.
How much?
234.
See? It's confidence. Okay? The problem is you're going back to Italy, right? The thing is, okay, it's confidence and it's focus, right? Like Raphael said, when I asked Raphael what was the difference with him being here for a week, he said focus.
That's true.
Okay? Focus equals success. Okay? Focus equals wealth. So you have to focus. You can't have hoopolitis of the brain. Okay? When you're trading, you have to be completely trained. Okay? If you're Tom Brady, which you're not, if you're Tom Brady and you're running the quarterback and the plays and you're the leader on the field, you have to have confidence.
Okay, so how long of a throw are you going to throw and give me a number?
Okay. Number 133.
Work hard, dream bigger.
Wow, where are these names coming from? Look at this NASDAQ. We never had names like this before. Stephen, this Bitcoin trades 24 hours on TradeStation. I don't know what you're telling me. I tried to call you and tell you that.
Congratulations. Work hard. You win.
Did you win?
Yep. Give me another one.
Number 244.
Alley Cat 556.
Whoa, Alley Cat. That's my daughter. No, she's not winning. I'm just saying that's what she goes by, Alley Cat. Whoa, Alley Cat. Alley Cat. Alley Cat. Alley Cat. Is she here? Alley
I
Cat?
don't see him.
Oh, Nelly. Oh, my God. Come on, Alley Cat. Get in there.
All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next.
Hold on 1 second. Trade green candles. I understand what you're saying in my SK Trading YouTube, but I want to be clear. You got to make trading fun, and there's not a trade every 10 seconds, okay? So, I just want to be clear, and I appreciate you wanting to learn my methodology and everything, which I'm happy to teach you, and I do what I can. But, to do this from 8:30 to 4 every single day, we do probably anywhere between 4 to 8 patterns a day on each asset. And then you're doing probably, depending on volatility, anywhere between 10 to 40, maybe 20 to 60 scalp trades. Okay? You got to make trading fun.
Hey, give me another number.
All right, hold on. 163. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. So I just want you to understand.
Rommel J.
Rommel J?
Rommel. Rommel. Rommel J.
Yeah, he's here. I see him here all the time, but I don't know if he's here now. So again, I'm happy to teach you my methodology, and I'm happy, but I understand if you think it's a distraction or anything like that, but there's not a trade every 10 seconds either, unless you're trading off the 1 minute time frame. Is Rommel J here? Hey, yep. Congratulations, Rommel J. Congratulations. So I understand what you're saying, but it's always, you got to break it up a little bit, Baba. You know what I'm saying? Trade green candles. And I hope I probably won't be watching. I hope you reconsider that, because, we MyFundedFutures, we try to do right here. We want people to learn. And I agree. I don't like when people say, when's the raffle? How many giveaways? That could drive me crazy, because they should be here to learn, right? And, but you're free to do what you want. Okay. So I just want you to understand that. So.
Yep. Well, and that's why when we do this, we give it to those that are being here active. And that's why even last night, a lot of you don't know this, but right at the end, I gave one just to give it to somebody who I saw was talking a lot in the chat. So
yeah, it's also, as Aaron says, it's a way of people to be rewarded, I should say, right? So, that's all. And you're free to do what you want, but so I mean, we crushed it today across the board. We crushed it. So Hey, strong man. How are you, brother? All right. So, yes, sir. See if this gold can. All right, gold, I would cancel that buy range down there. Bitcoin just bounced here. Just valued about 400 on the stop orders. You could probably look to take a short here on this Bitcoin. 260 up to like 270, 260, 270 up 280 up to the like 540, 580 range. Bitcoin, BTC. Yes, Stephen, it doesn't trade Saturdays. You're right. Here's a 1 minute. Look at the 5 minute. What did it get down to? Wow, 57,007. I think it's got to be a new year. It just ran 500. Coinbase 144 finished. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, if trade green candles, if you like a 5-day free trial, just let me know. You could just text me at 914-500-7484, full name and email. Oh, gold might go above 4,000 by the end of the night. We're a point away. I still think these 15s and 60-minute time frames are going to turn up here. On the there's 4,000 on the gold. There you go. Just ran 11. Just ran 11. Yes, sir. So when Bitcoin got this pushed down here, I'll teach you a little bit about divergences. You can see how the 30-minute MACD right here did not confirm the low. That's why it was like a trampoline. Boing, 57.71. Boing, up 600. Right? Kabooshed. Oh, man. NASDAQ hit the 500 mark. So that's why you saw the bounce. You have a non-confirmation off the 30-minute time frames. Oh. All right, gold's about to reverse to sell in the 6. Wow, NASDAQ just dropped 20. There you go, Gary. You made it by $1.18. Love it. Demand zone. I had a stressful day today. Not trading wise, with my dog. All right. There was a gold hit the 4,000. Gold hits 4,000 to 407. That's shorted again. Kabooshed. Aaron, in our chat, can you ban Eric U2G8L? I don't know what this means. Aaron.
Yep, 1
please.
second.
Actually, there's 3 of them. Please, thank you. NASDAQ gets down to the 75, probably 45 to 75. Just got kabooshed right down. Gold just dropped 4. That was before us, though. I was hoping to get a little higher. Just dropped 5. Gold's finished. I don't know if the NASDAQ, I said look to short them 510, but I don't know if they got up there on that push. Excuse me, 504. Wow, gold just dropped 7. I'd cancel that. Beautiful bear flag. What idiot paid 4,000 right here? Oh my God. 4,001. Again, when the ADXs are rising like that, you look to short off the 3-minute. See how the 3-minute time frame called the short? When you have the ADXs rising on the 5-minute time frame like this, okay, and you look for an overbought condition, you look on the 3-minute time frame. Always a 3. When the 15 and the 30s, the ADXs are rising with the 5, you always shift to the 3-minute time frame. There it is. 1, 2. You could have started here at 98, scaled into the position, and then got kabooshed. Beautiful. Okay, that's a little tidbit you guys should understand. Okay. Taking NASDAQ short on the 4-hour, I would wait for a little bit of a pop. Oh my God, gold just dropped 11. Damn it.
Give me another number.
Number 27.
Kirk, Z2U. Kirk, Z2U.
Kirk, Z2U. Kirk, come in Manila. Kirk, is he here? Kirk, are you here?
Yes, he's here.
Oh, congratulations, Kirk. All right. Again, I also have a podcast every single day called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. So please watch that as well. It's on my SK Trading YouTube. Right? I think we'll do something a little. We'll do the same thing tomorrow, but we'll just do the wheel without me picking out a number. We'll do something a little different for Wednesday, and then for Thursday, we'll just try maybe one other thing I have in mind. I'll share it with Aaron. So, does everybody understand how to use a smaller time frame like the 3-minute? Right? Everybody understand that? What's a duck race? I think it's good to change it up. I think it's good to change it up. How many more sheets you got? Michael, how many more sheets you got?
I got 1, 2, 3. 15.
Wow. There goes the NASDAQ. If you're long, sell above 80. Okay, NASDAQ, you can scale out 80 up to 90. Well, for now, but be careful because these 15 and 60-minute time frames are really oversold here on the NASDAQ. Got to be really, really careful. All right. Very quiet. Gold absolutely cabooshed. What a short. What a short. Jesus. I hope they kill him tomorrow. I really do. I hope the NASDAQ's down like 900. Oh, brother. Well, tomorrow will be worse. I'm telling you, again, if you long this NASDAQ below 75 here, I just traded up to 86 here. These 15s are going to turn up combined with the 60s. I think you're right. I think you're right. We won the war. I think you're right. I think you're right. How much you up tonight?
I didn't touch that account. I'm on 234.
234? All right. It's over. We got 10 minutes, 11, 19 minutes to go in the game. So you're up good. You had a great day today, right? You're consistent, except that one little mistake on checking out a new platform for execution. Other than that, it was a win, right? You have to understand that when you go to the level of learning, okay, and traveling and doing this and learning, it has to count, right? So basically, kabooshed. So basically what you want to do is you have to be a sponge in a very short period of time. Because the opportunity per se, okay, is really about what? Learning enough to keep moving you along, right? NASDAQ right back up here. Hey.
Give me another number, please.
Number 90.
Valentina NA.
Oh my God, Valentina. Always complain, never won. Valentina. Oh my God. Valentina. Are you here, Valentina? Valentina. I don't think she's here.
Wow.
Wow, she always, oh my God. Valentina. Are you here?
Well, there
She's
they
here,
are.
right? She's here?
Yep.
I don't see her.
Just said it right there in the chat.
Okay.
All right.
Congratulations, Valentina. One of the slowest nights of the year. Oof. She's here. Congratulations. Oh, brother. Bravo. Bravo, Valentina. Again, this is a great opportunity here. MyFundedFutures. If this NASDAQ takes out this 30,469, we'll get a sell reversal here, but which probably means that the highs are in for the Tokyo session right here, the 550. I miss my Henny. Yeah, gotta go home to my Henny. The Ponzi scheme soon to be over. You take out the 10 stocks, right? You take out these 10 stocks. Where the hell you think the market's going? Where if you took out the 10 stocks in the NASDAQ, where Western Digital, SanDisk, where do you think they will be, really, in all honesty? Where do you think they would be? Where do you think they would be? Thank you, Citraze. Where do you think they would be? No, where do you think the NASDAQ would be if you took out Western Digital, Seagate, Micron, SanDisk? That's what else? What else is in that basket? Bubble, bubble, pop, bubble, bubble, pop. AAI, that's another one. That's 5. 18,000, probably. Look at this psychotic stock, GEV. No. Nope. Was it ARM? ARM, Marvel. There's another one. Look at this. WDC, another one. Down 9. And if you look at Seagate, another one. New lows here. Who said 438? Good luck. Yeah, good job. I'm longing 435. I think you're right. If the NASDAQ gets down there, probably to the 0545 on the NASDAQ, I would look to go long. The 1 minute time frame is very powerful, especially if you're going to scalp like a lunatic all day. But you better know what you're doing. You better know what you're doing. Let's see if this NASDAQ. Tough question because the money flowing things. Nah, I don't know about that. Probably because it's the hyperscalers, because they wouldn't be spending all their money. I think, I don't know. I think that there's a little bit. I said global reverse. I said, what'd I say? I'm working on my OG status. Okay. Well, again, I want to thank MyFundedFutures for this evening here. Beautiful. Been doing this now for a while. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Anybody new here tonight? Hey, Bear Trader. Anybody new here? Okay, let's see if we get this drop. NASDAQ, S&P's new low. So the NASDAQ's down about 100 off the highs since we started. Gold got up to the 40.21, dropped roughly about 33 points. Congratulations to the unders here. NASDAQ, I still think 45. Kelvin. Thank you, Kelvin. Let's see here. Everybody welcome Nectra. Oh, forget it. You Nick, you got every name, every letter in the alphabet in your name. Under for the win. Rick Francis, congratulations. All right. So there it is. NASDAQ 52 just ran 10. I was looking for 45. Thank you, Linda and Q. I got to go. Can't wait to go see him now. The Reborn. How if you read the Reborn, if you're new, I'll just say Neek. Neek, N-E-K, Neek. Is that okay? Neck, Neek. The Reborn, JL. Thank you, Albano. The Reborn 8 accessory shop. Let's see if this NASDAQ can get to 45. If anybody new would like to just text me, I'd love to give you a call after on my way home. You can just text me 914-500-7484. Mexico's winning. Gonna go home, see Henny, take him for a walk. Are you long? You're done, right?
Yeah.
You're done.
I'm done.
Okay, good. Close it. Let's go. About to start. How about that Morocco game? Did you see that header? Oh my God, what a header! At the 89th minute.
Filthy.
That was insane. Well, look at this now. NASDAQ got down to 52, just ran 16. Oh, 20 on the now. I had the right idea off the oversold conditions on the 15 and 60s. And I didn't know that Germany went into a shootout. I think France, no, I don't think anybody's beaten France. Can you imagine France and Argentina? What a game that would be. Anybody think that Portugal has a chance tomorrow? Portugal? Is Portugal playing tomorrow? Brazil will win. You got Brazil. Colombia's in there, right? Colombia's out. Spain is great. Portugal. Portugal can win. Argentina. I don't know. I think France is just too good, though. I was talking to a top coach. He thinks it could be France and Argentina. I don't know if they would be able to play each other. They, you know, who knows? NASDAQ just ran 20. S&Ps just ran about 2.5. We got 4 minutes to go here. Portugal will face Spain. Ooh. That's what my friend told me. He said France is unstoppable. I hope the USA goes far, obviously. Rick Francis, have a great night, Baba. And again, if anybody new would like a 5-day free trial or text me your full name and email. If you have any questions at all, oh my God, you need help with trading, just text me. Okay, 914-500-7484. Palm Trader, how are you? Palm Trader, are you here in California or Florida? This 1 minute time frame is potent. I have a 5-day free trial. I stream every day, Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4. If you would like it, US 3786, just text me. 914-500-7484. All right. If NASDAQ gets down to the 0545, I do think it could see 438. Petrie, thank you. Good night. If I only. Congratulations to the others. You guys got me 2 nights in a row. I was betting gold over 4,000. Oh, can I have my phone for 1 second, Michael?
Yes.
My daughter just sent me a code.
Okay. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Good night, everybody. Have a great night. We'll see you
All
next
right.
time.
Thank you,
10
everybody.
o'clock.
Aaron, thank you, everybody. Thank you, MyFundedFutures. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Luke. Thank you, Aaron. And thank you, all of you. Okay, tomorrow's Wednesday. Play it safe. Okay, beginning of the new month. New money should come in. But I think the market's poised on that daily bear flag. It could start probably Monday. It could even start this week. But normally this is a very bullish week. Thank you, everybody. Please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Have a great night. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen, trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.